What? What do you mean you don't trust that? They want you to go short now. All the market makers are telling you. Oh, yeah. That is pretty big. Yeah. So many times it does the twin towers on market open. Morning, everyone on stream. Good morning. Market is open. We got the first 5-minute candle, and now we're just kind of waiting for a trade, waiting for that first, kind of market volatility as it opens up, and there's like those big swings. Watching to see what it does here, and then we'll be looking for a trade opportunity. But look at my screen if I did that. 620. TP to here. 1 TP. 700. That's not really worth it. I'm not gonna do that. Hey Zachary. So technically, this is a entry model on this one candle here. For me, I'm not going to take it because my TP would only be to here, and my stop loss would be way up here, so I'm risking a lot to only make a little. So I'm probably going to skip out on this one and just kind of wait for this market volatility in the beginning to kind of play out, and then see where we go. See if we get a continuation, or see if we get a reversal. Yeah, that limit order, the change in state. Yeah, I don't know if I don't think I'm gonna take it though, just because I don't have much drawdown on one of my accounts. I only have like $2,500 in drawdown. So I'm waiting for one that's a little tighter, and yeah. It's frustrating. Yeah, that opening candle inverted 3 fair value gaps. Yeah. No, on the 5. On the 5 inverted 3. Yeah, this is a stops on that would just be crazy. I guess if you played the inversion, it would be worth it. Yeah. So, like, what if I sold 2? Let's say. How much am I risking? To make. Let's be patient. That trade. That. As we usually don't take that trade. I wonder if it works too. Oh my gosh. See this next change in state, maybe I'll take that to the. That's a little tighter. Good morning, Slayer. Hope you're having a good day. Still, that's what I want. Yeah. He's won. I think he won last week, but I don't know. He changed it. Yeah, and usually he's like done within an hour. Like he's like, all right, I'm done. You know, like he doesn't trade. You know, he is good, and he changes kind of the similar, like the change state of delivery. You know, displacement, stuff like that. But I just don't think like you said, he doesn't really rely on it as much anymore because he's making so much money elsewhere. I could be wrong. Maybe he still does rely on it. I don't know. But yeah. So yeah. I mean, it's even more than that. I think it's like 7,800 if you pay over time. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah. I don't love it anymore. I've tried to stay away. Just Oh shoot, I'm missing this. Yeah, shoot, I might have missed it. Let's see if it'll tap me in. Oh shoot, I was yapping. I totally forgot. Oh my gosh. I was yapping. I was so distracted. I was like watching the timer too. I totally. Oh well, dang it. Yeah, it's not gonna be that big. Yeah. Yeah. Dang it, I missed that one. Zucker, did you catch that? Alright, this one. Yeah, I missed it too. Oh well. I know. If it hits TP, I'm gonna delete it. Like, it's pretty much there. I'm gonna delete it. Dang it. I want to watch it just. I want to live in the. It would have. I don't know if you want that. Don't be. Yeah, don't delete your order. Look, gold. Holy smokes. I think the good thing with Casper's live trading is he does explain things pretty well in regards to like looking for the displacement and stuff. I think that's the benefit of it. He does catch a lot of wins, but did you get emotional in that trade, Kyle? Did you get overstimulated? Do you need to take a breath and maybe take a walk? Look at that. The NQ is dumping. Go to London low. Yeah, dump it to London low and then give us a beautiful reversal all the way back up to that high. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. London? It hasn't hit London low, has it? Oh, I have it at 976.25. Oh, wait, you guys are looking at M and Q, right? You're on NQ? Huh. Oh, okay. 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 That makes more sense. I was like, huh. I was like, what am I looking at wrong? There we go. Imagine the order bar it creates is all the way back up to the 940 candle. It's like a massive stop loss. It's like, dang. You know what I find helps me? You just really scrunch your screen where the candles are really small and then it doesn't look as big. Yeah, see, that's a tiny stop loss. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Well, that first inversion would have played out too for me. It would have. Oh wait, actually no, it would have missed it by a tick. I'm saying for the opening gap, inverting all those fair value gaps to the left. I don't do it, but I wanted to see today. Like, I've been kind of watching. Like, how does that? Like, yesterday would have played out if I would have taken it. Today would have played out if I would have taken it. So I'm just like taking note of that. Dude. That would be it's 843, but 22 843. 0.5. Yeah, if we go to previous day low, oh my gosh. That's how many points is that? Let's see. 125. Yeah. Definitely could. Yeah. I'm so bummed I missed that freaking. Ah! Yeah, the olives had played out. The first candle, I don't think the second one, for me at least, wouldn't have played out yet. It's almost. Yeah, I think this is like the third day in a row for me that I've been watching that opening candle when it inverts candles to the left, that it would have played out. So I'm like, maybe I should start taking that. Like, ignore that gap, the first gap that it created, but if it inverts, take those. For your CISD strat, do you take partials at ERL or do you take a full TP? Like, where do you take partials at if you were to take a partial? Either one of you guys. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. You would have taken full TP at London low. $12. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I would definitely have taken full at London too. But then you would have cried because now it's gonna dump. Yeah, it might actually. I'm so frustrated with myself. Right now. So that second CISD is at almost 7R. Yeah, that's a great trade. Holy smokes. Yeah, you risk. Yeah, it's really cool. Now it's even. Now it's. Yeah, 7R. Dang, that's sick. Yeah, well, okay. We're gonna close the charts now. Did you actually? You caught that? Oh, I was like, nice, dude. Let's go. At 8R now. That's sick. Yeah, this model gets me excited. Thanks for sharing this with me, Kyle. I'm like, thanks. Okay. Yeah, dude, this gets me. I mean, like, literally, it's at 9R right now, and I would have risked $1,000 to make 9. Like, that's crazy. If this thing actually does break through to day low, like, that's a crazy trade. That's an 18R trade. I kind of hope we get what happened yesterday, where like it went, well, yesterday was up, but then it went down, then straight up, like makes a V. Let's get that. literally just been red candles down. There's not even been an order block yet. This is going to day low. I think it's, I mean, where else would it go? Like some of these lows. The double low, the equal low here at 922. Yeah, previous day lows. New York low. Yeah, I think it's those equal lows. Yeah. So this line. Okay, it's at that equal low right now. Let's see what it does. Holy crap. Where are we at now? 11 hour on that trade. That's 2 days in a row catching over 10 hour in a trade on this model. Oh my. Yeah, they tapped into those equal lows. Yeah. Alright, so everyone watching on stream, my friend has taught me a new model that is insane. And yesterday, the model caught a 25-hour trade, like a 18-hour trade, I think, in one day. 2 of those, so you caught like, I don't know, over almost 40 R in 2 trades. And then this one, this morning, one of the, well, there was this one here, but it didn't tap you in. But the second one right now is a 11-hour trade. Like it's amazing, this new model. So I'm very excited to try out this new and yeah, it's like to get trades like this is a dream for like any trader, right? Like to get consistent 10-hour trades, like that's a dream. Even over 2-hour trades, like everyone wants that. And so I'm like hyped for this. Now it's just rubbing it in my face that I missed it. Yeah. Yeah, you need to lock in, Kyle. Like, come on. On NQ. Oh, like to the, yeah, to the downside. Like, yeah, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonder if Casper caught this short. I bet he did actually. He probably caught this short today. Mm-hmm. You didn't like it? Yeah, I didn't. I dove into the models, but I don't use any of them, and neither does he. I think honestly what he currently trades is the best model, right? Like that displacement, change state of delivery, like that's really all you need. Like you don't need a bunch of junk. No, it's about to dump further. It's not going to give it to you. Oh, there you go. Inversion. Yeah, like those lows. Yeah. Oh, the equal lows to the left. On the 5. Like there were the New York, there's the New York lows, yeah. There's like a double bottom down there. All right, so we'll take this inversion. Nice thing is the stop loss, if it does invert, is pretty tight, which is unusual. All right. Well, that first trade got 12.5 R, so that's cool. I'm so glad I missed it. Like, I didn't even want that, you know, honestly, I didn't want to start my morning that way. You know, I want to earn it. Yeah. Yeah, now we're gonna get 200 points to the upside. Oh, you're saying like the first inversion? Yeah. But watch, it's gonna close almost through it and then not do it. Yeah, we're going short. All right, that's too much risk. We'll do that. We won't make much on this trade because my drawdown, but hey, profit is profit. All right, minute 4. Zach, are you ready for this? Let's see. Hey Zachary, just so you know, I'm only doing 2 in Q on this one, just because my drawdown. I'm trying to get my buffer up a little higher. I mean, my drawdown higher, because I'm only at 2,000 right now. Mine's at like 2,000 right now. Because I'm trying to get back to like at least 5 grand in drawdown. I'm putting mine. Yeah, I just did it.
Order filled.
Order filled. Yeah, Anthony, do it. Just let him do it. Let him find out. Hey, let's go. Oh my gosh. Let's go. That was quick. Let's go. Quick little dub. Yeah, I'm out. I got tapped in and tapped out. Yeah. How'd you not? How did it not? You're at 1.5. How did it not? You must not have it right then. Yes, I am. You're not. I'm telling you right now, you have your setup wrong. Oh, wait. You're right. Oh, wait. You're right. I did miss it by a little bit. But it still should have hit. No. I think it still hit. No. If it didn't hit, you're fine. Maybe it did. I don't know. I got this stupid error in my way, so I can't see. Oh, it didn't hit. It didn't hit. Yeah, you're right. I had it wrong, huh? Well, remember when it happened to you last time and you got TP and I didn't? It's my turn. Yeah. Yeah, I was like, dude, I swear I'm at the right spot. I'll be entering another long if we invert another one or give an order block.
Order filled.
Wait, was that my computer? There we go. Now I have. There you go. Now I'm over 3,000 in drawdown. Okay, now I have a little bit more drawdown for the next trade. Hey, Zachary, just so you know, I might be taking a second inversion. So if you're out, I might be taking this second one. Yeah, Gold's actually telling us and we should listen. Zachary, I'm only doing 2 in Q again, just because I'm still trying to get that buffer up a little higher. If it does do it. I don't think it's going to do it. I put my stop loss to where the fair value gap's at. Yeah, no, it didn't. It might on this next candle, but oh, maybe we'll get an order block. Yeah. And they're tighter stop losses. If we get an order block, I'm taking that over the inversion. Yeah, Zachary, you could do that on your screen. Like you could put like multiple time frames and on your screen at one time, so you can like look at like the 1 and the 5 at the same time. Yeah. Oh, we might get a inversion, maybe even an order block here. Yeah. It literally be following gold. Yeah. Yeah, dude. That is very clean. You don't like NQ's choppiness? I prefer chop, honestly. If I had to pick, I'm picking chop. Oh, I love that. That makes my morning, dude. It makes me so happy. I bet that's what makes you want to get to the chart every day, is just to get wicked out. Yeah, it really is. You can't beat the feeling. Oh yeah, you're right. That is so weird. Short. Yeah, it'd be, yeah. Yeah. But it looks like it might be setting up an order block to go long, potentially. Yeah. I got it. So, and Zachary, right now, if this current candle, the 1021, falls below like 920, like that price, and it closes below that, these bullish candles would be considered an order block then. So yeah, if this current candle would close below the body of that first bullish candle, so the 10:05 a.m. candle, that would make it an order block. Yep, it had to engulf them. So it means like, it doesn't have to be one, it could be 2 or 3 candles, but one, if it's one candle, I think that is a better confluence. But it could be 2 candles, as long as it engulfs it, that turns it into an order block. So if this nothing, right? Nothing yet. Yeah, because we haven't inverted, and it closed below. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Exactly. Yep. Yeah, so it looked like this is your order block now. Yep. Yeah, that's a good explanation. So Zachary, if this came down, right, and tapped into that 1005 low, but then wicked up, what would that be considered? So if the current candle, right, came down basically to that 1005 low, but the price came all the way back up, would that be considered? Yeah, right? Like it grabbed liquidity before it decided to flip the other direction. Which is showing you, okay, it tried to push, but then buyers are in control now because it pushed it all the way back up. If it does, I don't know if it will or not, but. I'm going to see which comes first. So if the inversion comes first, I'll do that. But if the CISD happens, I'll take the CISD because it's a better entry than the inversion. But either way, my stops would go to the top of the order block. Yeah. For me, which is different, a little different than Kyle and them, my first TP would be at the inversion 1.5. So I would take a partial there because I have the change in state of delivery on top of it. So I'd take a partial at 1.5, and then I would hold 1 to the next liquidity. For me, would be day low. They probably wouldn't take the partial at 1.5. They would probably take a partial at like another ERL to the left, or maybe not. I'm not sure, but. Okay. All right, 33. I don't think I'll take, even if this does invert, I don't know if I'd take it. I think I'd wait for the change in state because this wick is kind of like, I don't love that wick. Yeah, so if it inverts, I'm probably not going to take it. I'm going to wait for the change in state. If it looks like a big wick like this, it might not yet. Yeah, that actually might create. Yeah, you're right, because it's like, it could be the reversal. Oh, you don't think so? Okay, let's see. What's our range? Yeah, let's see. I didn't even think of that. Let me move. Alright, so mid to late London moves. We don't need those anymore. We don't need London highs or 80 highs. 843.75. Yeah. Yeah, but you just search them up in the indicators. And you'll find them. I know, once I get this model locked in, I'm gonna try to create some indicators. Try to see if I can create something. There is a micro gap that it's like inverting right now, but I don't think I'm gonna take that. It's like a point. Yeah, is that not even a point, huh? It's a quarter, 3/4 of a point. He'll get you cereal if you can explain to dad what an order block is. Can she actually? I was like, dude, that's what I want to do with my daughter. I want to try to teach her. She's 9 months old, so I got her a TradingView account, and I'm expecting her to make $100 within 6 months. So, I'm just kidding. She's got to pay for her diapers, you know. She can't just freeload. Like settings. Wait, you don't want to rep your stone Dave? Hey, at least we, you know, PSP, we caught a dub this morning, you know? PSP. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that's such a bummer. What prop is that with? Oh, got it. I was gonna do something. What was I gonna do? Not yet. Yeah, it's cheaper. Just a heads up real fast, guys, there's an inversion and a change in state happening. I saw it's like 30 seconds out, so I want to Zachary, just so you know, I'm going for the change in state over the inversion. Just because it's better entries. good. Sweet.
Order filled.
Then, let's see how this plays out. Watch it tap us and then invert this fair value gap. Like, sick. Yeah. No. He could take partials where I'm at. No. What? How many did he open up? Did he open up one? Oh, then take full TP. Yeah. Then take full TP. Next time have him do like 2, and then he could take a partial. Yeah, and 2 you're not risking, huh? Yeah, only on the change of state. So if we get a change of, like for me, if we get a change of state and an inversion, I'll do a partial. If it's just an inversion, I'll do full TP. If it's just a change of state, I'll do like the trailing stop, but I'm doing light risk, like 1 or 2 contracts. Like for me, I did 4 in Q, but I'm taking 3 off at 1.5, holding 1 as the runner. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. But we're about to tap into that 50% line, like Kyle was saying. So I don't know if we'll go much further than the 50% line, which my TP's below that, or TP's below that, but we'll see. There we go. Now my buffer's up nicely. Now I got like 5k in buffer. There we go. Now I'm back to good buffer. Hopefully it just hits TP. If it doesn't hit TP and runs down, I will be screwed on buffer. Yeah, for the inversion. Yeah, but just a partial, not the whole thing. I'm taking off 3 contracts. It's from entry. How many points is that from entry? That is about 26 points. Zachary too, for me, if we hit TP, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. For me, you don't have to do that. You can leave it at the order block and wait for the order block. But for me, I'm gonna, just so it doesn't lose me money, I'm gonna move my last contract at break even. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah. Because if we can take 3 contracts off, we'll keep our... Yeah, I know. Me too. I had 2 grand, and I'm at 5, almost 6 grand now in drawdown. So I'm like, oh, thank you. That's so much nicer. Oh, yeah. I could do that, yeah. Let me see the 1 minute. Oh, yeah. I'll do that. That's a smart idea. I'll do what he said, Zachary. So, do you know how to spot that? So it's basically the same thing on the 5 minute, but 1 minute, right? So like right now, if like we were to trail up, it would be the 10:52 a.m. candle. But I'm not doing it yet. I'm gonna let it hit TP first. Zachary, I think I'm gonna move my stop loss up a little. Maybe. Okay. I might move my stop loss up, Zachary, to the bottom of that fair value gap. Because it did test it once. And just in case if it decides to reverse here, we won't lose. Yeah, just because we went decently into profit, I don't want to let it come all the way back down, because that could, I don't think that would blow our accounts, but definitely take a lot of that drawdown. Yeah. Because it makes you literally have to go against your model. It makes you have to change your model, and then yeah, instead of just letting it play out. Yeah. What would be nice is if we can get an order block right now. We might get an order block here. Oh, nice. Come on, give us an order block here. On the 1 minute, that's below that low. Yeah, if this 1 minute breaks that low, it could. We might get stopped out here. But if we get stopped out here, we actually would get an entry for an inversion. But it still could technically make an order block if it decides to respect this fair value gap on the 5. All right, this last minute, we wanted to push up. Give us that order block. Don't invert. Area. No, just trail stops. Yeah, so this turns into order block. We'd move our stop loss up to the wick of the current candle, which is nice because then you take off just more risk. Let's see what the 1 minute's doing. Come on, 1 minute. Push up and invert that 1 minute fair value gap. Nah, not until it closes. Because it could come and invert this, or it could come and make an order block. So nothing yet. What I might do is if we take a TP at the 1.5 and we invert that fair value gap above us, I might add a contract. So on every inversion, maybe I'll potentially add a contract all the way up, especially if it starts breaking above the 50% line. Sweet, it looks like we might be getting order blocked. Let's go, 1 minute. Oh, this is looking good. Oh, dude. I hated it. I went to Orlando. I did not like it. So it looks like this candle's not giving us anything. It's not giving us an order block or inversion, so still just gotta wait. You'd be a billionaire. Yeah, if you could predict the market, it'd be... If it was that easy to predict the market, everyone would be doing it. No one would have jobs. Shoot. Uh-huh. Oh. Dang. Yeah. This. Pretty chill. Yeah, it's roughing it. Come on, dude. Give us an order block here. Quit playing with me. Yeah. Maybe this little one will give it to us. Then stops can go to break even. Yeah. We're still pretty early. Not pretty early, but CISD, CISD. Yeah, you were going crazy. Stop
filled.
I do kind of like the idea of going short again. Yeah, Zachary, I'll be taking the short here. Yeah, because my drawdown is only 2,000 again. Yeah, I mean, for me, I'm only risking $800 on this, so I just want to get that. Alright, I put in my order, Zachary. Yeah. Oh my, watch it. It's gonna leave a micro gap. And be like, no, actually not. Yeah, and I'm gonna run the day low too.
Order filled.
Order filled. Alright. My first TP right now is at the 1005 low. Until we get an inversion, then I'll probably move it to the 1.5 deviation. This is sick. $919. Oh my gosh, that almost hit stop loss. That was close. Yeah, that's your commissions. Might get an underblock here. I mean, you're only moving your stop like a point or two. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, you get those too? I don't know. I don't know why I get those also. Oh dude, that's like, how's that not an inversion? I know. Did it? Yeah, I noticed that. Sometimes MNQ will invert things when NQ won't. Yeah, it actually kind of looks bullish on the 1 minute. Right there. I think this might go bullet. Yeah, this might go. Oh, didn't stop me. I thought it was about to. Yeah, there he goes. Okay.
Stop filled.
$1,600 in drawdown. Okay. I don't know if I really want to take the long. I'll do very light. I'm gonna do one contract. How much is that? Yeah, we'll do one contract. See if we get tapped in here. All right, Zachary. I'm doing this change in state. I just did one contract though, just because I'm like low on trailing drawdown. If it inverts the fair value gap instead of tapping us in, I'll probably transition to that. Yeah, that's what that's a. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, the order block. Well, that's why I'm only doing one in Q. Yeah, I'm doing one in Q on this one. Did you say you're full porting? I'm just doing one. Yeah, maybe after this, if we do blow these accounts today, we try the 50 case. And save some money. Okay. Right. I should type us in. Yo, bang. The bang said bang. We smacked that. Yeah. I missed the short earlier this morning. I totally missed it. I was bummed. Oh, finally I tapped in. That was funny how quickly you said that. Yeah, that first inversion hit quick, like really quick. Yeah. I know, even that second inversion would have worked too, but our drawdown kind of screwed us. Yeah. My Ethereum position's doing pretty solid. Ethereum's like finally looking a little bullish. That'd be beautiful. Yeah, BTC's doing. Yeah, on the day, Bitcoin just broke above that previous high to the left, closed above it on yesterday's candle. Uh-huh. Is it? Okay. So it's a little higher than... I think that's like 112. Yeah. Yeah, I've been in a long on Bitcoin since the 25th of June. I think I had a change in state of delivery. And then I probably should have waited for the retest of the fair value gap, but I was like, I'm just gonna enter because I'm not gonna try to be pixel perfect on my entries. Hey Zachary, if we get this CISD, I'm gonna move my stops up to the order block, and I probably will add one contract to the order block, because now my risk is much lighter, and I have that room for the trailing drawdown. That's me though. And my TP will still be at that 1.5 standard deviation on the inversion, and I'll take half TP. Might actually, it could hit our TP before we even get to add a contract. I have one from the inversion, but I would like to. What? Yeah, if this candle closes like that, yeah, I'm gonna add. Stop loss here. And then I'm not gonna add it. TP will be like way up here. 30 seconds. Come on, Josh. Alright, I just added the second order, Zachary. So if it taps me in, I'll be at 2, and I'll move my stops up. 5. Sweet. Alright, and my stops have all been moved up to that order block. Hey, Zachary too, like if you're gonna add to your position, only add if you have the buffer, because I don't know how much you took on the first trade. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, you're chilling. I'm gonna tap in. It's all good. If Powell like opened up right now and just said he's gonna cut rates, it probably would. I'd be like, what? I'd be so confused. I'd be like, I don't know how to trade anymore. I don't know. Oh dang it did. Yeah, it got very close. I think it's just gonna go though. I'll make pennies on this trade right now. Man, Kyle, you gotta lock in, dude. Well, I guess profit's profit. I hate it, but I was kind of hoping they'd have 2 contracts now. What is he gonna? No, maybe we will get tapped in here. Is there a gap? Oh, I see, yeah. That's why I want to get that second contract in, because I feel like if this does play out, it could run up to the ERL. Earl, you know, Earl's my buddy. Man, he takes care of me. I mean, borderline, you know. Yeah. Oh, dang. Yeah. I feel like every time I use the one, it burns me. Yeah. Yeah. I think I don't look at it enough. I probably should start trying to get used to it more. Oh, it's gonna hit TP.
Order filled.
There we go. Another dub. I only had one. It was from the inversion. It was from my inversion model. But I'm just trying to get that buffer back. And then, I mean, I'm still, like, there might be an inversion right here, so I think I'll still have another one. Or if we get a change in state, I'll still add another one. So let's try to, like, take it up as we go. But now I have a little bit more buffer, so next time I could probably do 2 contracts instead of 1. Until I'll do partial. Like that trade. I don't know. What am I up to? Am I green today? What is today's account summary? Oh no, we're down 900 bucks. Now, if we did a change of state here, I wouldn't take full TP until the ERL. But the inversions do the full TP at the 1.5 for my model. I'm gonna go to the restroom real fast. Hopefully it doesn't do it without me. Yeah, dude, I've had to go for like an hour. I'll be right back. I'm mute. Alright. I'm back. Oh, it logged me out. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. I was just yeah. Coffee hit me. I was on the toilet though. I had my phone up and I was like getting ready to take a position if it was gonna do it. That's why I like having the thing on my phone, because really you can do it wherever. Yeah, but that was on Trade Locker. Oh my gosh, that was fast. Why am I not paying? I'm not locked in. Come on.
Order filled.
Almost screwed that up. Stop loss for me is at the order block, but what is? I'm gonna put my stop Zachary up to the. There's an order block on the 1 minute at like 11:46. I think we'll put it. Five-minute order block. Oh, I see that one to left at 9:35. Yeah, that's right where my TP's at. Yeah. Yeah, that order block down there never got tested too. What'd you put? How many did you put? I was like, if I put 100 in Q, what I would have made. That's great. I Yeah, I think if I lose these 300Ks, I'll try the 50Ks. Okay, test of the order block. Now bounce. Bounce off this. I have $300 of drawdown right now. I'm like, oh my gosh. $200 of drawdown. Oh, maybe I got like 350 of drawdown right now. I need this to freaking bounce right now. Oh well. 100.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Frick.
Stop filled.
Oh. I blew mine. Actually, I think I only blew. Alright, let's see if I can get these things set up. Now it has 2,000. Alright. I hear you guys whispering over there. Yeah. You need to be consistent. Yeah, you need to be. Holy. Yeah, me too. And it inverted 2 for value apps. Let's go. Give us that order block retest. No, because they're on Lima's, not mine, so I can't. My other ones were good. Yeah, but I'm gonna probably have them do the 50Ks next. Yeah. Yeah. Now we have. Oh wait, we have a unicorn there too. Yeah, if this I think this short plays out to be pretty good. Maybe we finally go to day low. We are kind of like halfway through the day, so. All right, how about tap us in and then Donald Trump like just start rage tweeting on tariffs. Oh yeah, if he tweeted a tariff thing right now, it would fall. Yeah. If we get in this short, I'll text him. Oh my gosh. That literally just missed it.
Order filled.
Oh man, and it might invert this gap, which would invalidate the freaking short. I know, I'm like, dang, taps this in and then literally invalidates it. Let's see. Last minute. Let's see if this thing can pop off. But it does have the unicorn, like with the breaker blocks and the fair value gaps. Maybe that is a helpful thing on our side, but maybe not. 3 seconds, let's see. Damn. Alright, looks like we're gonna close.
Order filled.
That was dope. I don't even think this one's gonna tap us in. Even might hit our TP first. This hits TP, then I'll wait for the next inversion. See you, Vic. Thank you. Is it finally? Waiting for that thing to go. Yeah, Robinhood is initiating staking for them in the US. It's not like a big move or like big news, but I swear if this one doesn't tap me in too. Are you kidding me? Is this one not gonna tap me in also? How did I not get tapped in on that?
Order filled.
There we go. Somebody a quick scout. Here. I'm gonna take a little TP on it. Yeah, I know that it did that to me a little bit too. But I eventually got in, but stream, I want to let you guys in on my Ethereum position. I was sleeping when it hit the first TP, but I'm trying to wait today for it to hit my TP on Ethereum. But I'll be taking like a 30% TP here on Ethereum on the position, but hoping to hold it for all-time highs and stuff. So this is not all-time highs. This is only 2,800. But then when you zoom out to like the day time frame, targeting these highs, but then would even target all-time highs of like $4,800. So I'll probably take, once we hit this TP and I'm able to take my 30% TP, I'll take another TP at that other external range liquidity up at these highs. But yeah, our Ethereum position is doing excellent right now. Looking to take, hopefully I can take it in this 4-hour candle and take a little TP again. It was right there too, like so close. I might just take it. What is our P&L at right now? Is it, if it's over 50? I'll just take it. I'm gonna just take this little TP. We'll take it. Another 10. There we go. So we've realized some gains on our Ethereum position, and now we'll let it ride. That one's up 300%. Our Ethereum position is up 300%. I love that. Swear, if this inversion doesn't work, I'm like, oh my gosh. Because we actually just retested the 5-minute order block down at 11:05. Oh, let's go. Bitcoin just broke. Is breaking the, yeah, Bitcoin's breaking highs. On like the Binance, it's broke the all-time high, but it's not at the CME high yet, I don't think. Like you were mentioning. Was that you mentioning that? Yeah. Huh. That's crazy.
Order filled. Rejected.
It's because of James Wynn. James Wynn said, "All right, stopped out." Did he? All right. Well, he was like asking. He was asking people for money too. He was like, "Send money here." This wallet. Oh, I'm all out. Mine are. I already lost them. I'm gonna go to. Yeah. That drawdown drives me nuts. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go log in and then the 50Ks. $37 for these. Okay. $37 for a 50K. Kyle, do you happen to have any codes? S, Y, and C? Is that like you? I'm more asking like if I could support you. Like, do you have a code? Okay, I have other codes, so okay. Let's do one at a time. For me, the only issue for me, I would have held that first 5-minute order block, but the trailing drawdown was following me up, and I had to move it up, or it would have blown it earlier. I mean, I guess now at this point, I'm like, I should have just let it do its thing then. Either way, it ended the same way. Yeah, it does work, yeah. And that's why I get so frustrated with Apex, because like the model works, but because that trailing drawdown, it forces me to change my model instead of just letting my model work. It almost makes me want to just go try to get a one TPT account, because it's got the end of day drawdown, and then I can get that funded, and then do that, but whatever. Yeah. Let's see. Get the fresh account. Yeah. I'd agree. Okay. See ya tomorrow. Bye. $50 million liquidated from the Bitcoin market of shorts right now. Long. Yep. I thought my day was bad. Yeah. Alright, then we're live. Price action. Can't do what it did yesterday. It's doing this chop and all of a sudden it breaks out, gives you 20 points, and that's it. Change of state of delivery. Change of state of delivery. Change of state of delivery. Yeah, I had to go to work. Yeah, this is probably my last trade of the day too. I usually stop at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's see if it's soft to me out or not. But I got 50Ks now. I blew the 300Ks, so. Yeah. I'm going to finally take Kyle's advice. How many touch points does it have on the wedge? Like 3? Or 2? So it should break out soon. Yeah. It's just a matter of which way. When you do your wedges, do you do it from wicks or bodies? Okay. Man, Bitcoin looks beautiful right now. The 3-day chart looks really good. Yeah. Do you use CISD in crypto? Use that? Yeah. And when you do crypto, do you do like low time frame scalps, or you stick to like higher time frames? Fart. Really? Mm-hmm. Alright. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 They're right at my entry. Hey Kyle, do you want to go golfing next week? That's cool. I actually didn't want to golf. Yeah, you're right. No, just kidding. Have you seen those like TikToks and stuff where it's like he asks his buddy, "Hey, you want to go golfing?" And he's like, "Nah, I'm busy." And he like goes through all his tabs and he's like deleting his like all the golf things and like. So yeah, no, it's cool. I didn't even want to really go golfing anyways. Bro, give us a little order block here. Kyle wants it. Give it for Kyle. Not you. Don't do it for me. Do it for Kyle. Yeah, I'm moving stops too. There's a 76% chance that Bitcoin hits $115,000, according to crypto prediction platform Polymarket. Oh, if Polymarket says it, it's got to be true. Yeah, I'm not mad. I need Ethereum to blast through what is this? 2876.63. I love sitting in drawdown. I don't know if this order block's gonna hold. Come on, Ethereum. Let's go, Ethereum. Up. Fucking stick. Let me see Solana. I haven't looked at Solana at all. Nice, Solana, yeah. Change in state. On the yeah, Bitcoin's ripping. I love it, dude. My position's doing great. I'm up on Bitcoin. What am I up? 140%. Yeah. And my Ethereum, I'm up 300%, 315%. I mean, it's a very small account, but yeah. Yeah, I'm not at that size. This was like a $50 risk trade. Yeah, Solana is looking good. Finally, I mean, kind of. I would kind of want to see Solana breaking like 168.28. Because on the weekly, on Solana, on the weekly looks not that great to me. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Good, yeah. Yeah, like I want to see it break that 188.72, that weekly high, just to the left of where we're at. Like that'd be great if we could break that. All right, NQ, doing another order block for us. Just gonna creep up. That's all you're gonna do. I'm fine with it. Yeah, here, where's the little guy? Let me find a little walker. Here he is. Walking these stairs. How noisy it is. Be able to do the order block. Bitcoin breaks 113. Holy crap. Let's go. He just lost all that money. What an idiot. Why did he short? Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Is he long? I think he actually might be long now. There's one at July 4th. Please no lower. That's all I have. Yeah, I think he made a long on July 4th. His look. Yeah, we're just like, dude, why? What made you? Yeah, I don't know. Uh-huh. Alright. 150x leverage. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 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 Alright, guys. I'm gonna call it. I got stopped out on that trade. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. See you guys. Alright, stream. Say it did not go as planned. Well, like it did go to plan, but I freaking messed it up. I messed this trade up. I literally should have. We should have had this trade here this morning, and totally choked on it. I'm so bummed. That trade. So the trade this morning that I missed, that would have been the killer trade for us today, would have hit for. What did it end up doing? Stops would have gone here. Yeah, 12.5 R, and I totally missed it. Totally missed it. You know, it happens. And then I'm dealing with the prop firm trailing drawdown, which is just, it's so challenging because like we had this, we caught one scalp here, which was a dub. Then we waited, we got this here, change the state of delivery. We got tapped in on this position here, but then because of our trailing drawdown, we had to get out of the position. And it's really frustrating because I can't stick to the model because of this trailing drawdown. So we reset. We're doing the 50K account challenges, and so hopefully we're just gonna get these done, get these 50K accounts done, and get them over with. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow we lock in, we're able to catch a trade, and yeah, I'm so bummed I missed this. This would have been the trade of the day. We would have let's see, we would have probably taken like 5 in Q there. Stop losses right there. TP down here. At least to these double lows. Yeah, that would have been 10 G's. It's okay. It's okay. We're learning lessons. We need to focus in. But it's all right. We always got tomorrow. I think the most important thing is that if you're wanting to do this trading stuff, you cannot let the losers freaking get you down for the entire week, day, or whatever. Like, you just got to take them as they come. I mean, they're gonna happen, right? Like, the losers are gonna happen, so you gotta be patient in that, and be yeah, just gotta take it as it comes, and take every failure, which are not failures, but as learning lessons, to then say, tomorrow we're gonna do better. Tomorrow we're not gonna make the same mistakes. So, because this long here, this long down here, this one isn't as good, but we would have gone this long. This is the one that we had to get stopped or close out because of this drawdown here. But this one would have taken us all the way up probably right about here. And that's a 0.44 win there. we had this one here, which was another stop here. This one tapped us in for, we got this one today. This one tapped us in quick. This was a quick little scalp, like another almost 1R win there. It's a little off. And then we had this one. Oh no, this one did not work. That one did not work. This one didn't tap us in. Yeah, we missed that one. So yeah, it's all right. Really, what I'm finding in this is really that like first trade of the day is really the catch, like the move, like that first one of the day, banger trade, 12R. Then these little, right, we get in this consolidation, right? So, yeah. All right, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And it's Friday, so let's hope we can get a good day tomorrow.